we try Bea Alonzo's Pinoy spaghetti.
I cannot wait to taste this.
Bea always cooks the onions first before the garlic. She also seasons with salt and ground pepper after every single step, so we'll be doing just as Bea does. Increase the heat to high, then add the ground pork and ground beef. And again, let's season with salt and pepper. Bea loves food that's maanghang, so we're adding a generous amount of chili flakes to the sauce. At this point, let's add in the hot dogs. Season again with salt and pepper. Add oyster sauce. This sounds like a secret ingredient, so don't skip it. But you can also use soy sauce if desired. Pour in the 2 kinds of spaghetti sauces. Bea doesn't add sugar since Filipino-styled sauce is already sweet. This is a saucy and cheesy spaghetti, so add lots of grated cheese. Stir until melted, then simmer. While we're waiting for the cheese to melt, don't forget to also cook the pasta. You can also rinse the pasta in cold water to stop the cooking if serving it later. And there you go! Before serving, top cooked spaghetti with pasta sauce and even more cheese because you can never have enough cheese according to Bea. Mix in the cheese only when ready to serve. Here it is, Bea Alonzo's Pinoy spaghetti.
And now, let's eat. I cannot wait to taste this. I definitely get it when Bea said in her video, this is definitely a hug in a bowl. That oyster sauce, she used oyster sauce in this spaghetti, amazing. And as I mentioned, that salt and pepper after every single step, that is the key. I really don't like maanghang usually, but in this spaghetti, it is so good. This zest, the chili, it's the chili flakes. The chili flakes, you don't see the chili flakes, but you taste the chili flakes and it gives this extra effect of, boom, ang sarap. This is not a meal that I want to eat alone either. This is something that I want to eat with my cousins, my family, my mom. I want her to try Bea's way of making Filipino spaghetti. I don't want to stop eating it. This is so good. Thanks, Yummy, for teaching me how to make Bea Alonzo's Pinoy spaghetti. Super good.
Let us know in the comment section below which celebrity recipe would you like us to try next.
Then when you find a hot dog, it's like a treasure.